Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified when new videos come out.
Hello everyone, Assalam Alaikum, welcome to our channel. I'm back with an exciting video. Today I'm planning to make avocado, tomato, cucumber salad. It's pretty simple, quick and easy recipe, and also it's very refreshing, healthy salad, especially during summertime. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for avocado, tomato, cucumber salad, I'm gonna cut some onion first. I'm gonna use a half an onion. I'm gonna slice them, thinly slice. Cucumber, half a cucumber. I'm gonna cut into middle and make little quarters. One tomato, Roma tomatoes. Also, I'm cutting into quarters, not so thin, just medium thickness. Finally, avocado. Just cut around it and just twist it. It's wonderful vegetable. You can use as a vegetable, you can use as a fruit also. Some people, I personally like to eat avocado ice cream also. So I'm gonna cut into middle, like quarters, and take the edge and remove the skin like this. I'm gonna remove all the skin. It's pretty easy. Make sure you find the ripe avocado. The key to find avocado ripe is, it's a trick I learned recently, not recently, but so you see to remove the stamp from here. If it is green, bright green, so it's good inside. If it is a little darker or different color, do not buy it. So I always remove the stamps and to double check that inside is green and nice and ripe. So avocado is peeled. Now I'm gonna big chunk. I don't like to cut little tiny piece because it's so very soft, delicate thing. So it's melt when you're gonna mix it. It's gonna disappear. So I'm cutting it little chunks. And also, I have fresh basil. If basil is not available in your area, you can use parsley or any other herb you prefer to use. So I'm gonna roughly slice it. It gives nice flavor and very nice smell to the salad. Finally, I'm using a cilantro. Roughly chop also. So nice and colorful summer salad, avocados. So now I'm gonna mix it. For the dressing, I'm not using lots of ingredient for that. I'm using just extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of olive oil, some salt, black pepper, good amount of black pepper, lemon juice, half a lemon juice, just half a lemon. I'm just gonna squeeze the juice out. It's pretty simple, easy, and very refreshing, especially summertime. That's it. I'm gonna mix it. Nice and refreshing. Very gentle mixing. Otherwise you're gonna break down all the avocado. So now I'm gonna do some presentation. I'm gonna transfer salad into the salad bowl. Nice and easy. I'm gonna add a little garnish here. Basil, fresh basil leaf. A little bit of cucumber garnish. Voila, nice and beautiful. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look amazing, taste amazing also, and it's pretty quick and easy to make, especially during summer. Please enjoy this recipe and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And if you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. I will be back pretty soon, another exciting video. And take care of yourself, stay safe, Allah Hafiz.